Hey, have you ever heard someone say damn? What about this is Melofine? Welcome back again. Alright, today we'll figure it out. What does damn mean? Okay, so let's get started. Damn means like an ugly or a rundown place and a disgusting place to live. But to a deep blue like kune asimabi katika out blue like yunzia manimu where counting the area a gong long of yolo dam so and we got synonym general synonym shiva do ye a deep into the synonym what slang synonym shiva do our armpit pibar armpit ne dam nega do general jada don't yavare the armpit go general shake video malaysian bibi amadwa we malay jilo yavare. Alright, so let's see what example is a bit to my apartment is such a dumb. I really should move but aku needed the tight card go manimio nimio mukambu simibu the young team be. So alright guys, I hope this is informative and don't forget to follow this page. Okay, so see you in the next video. Stay tuned and peace out.